Hey guys, we are in Taman Negara, the beautiful, beautiful tropical rainforest in Malaysia.
We left Kuala Lumpur this morning at 8:30. 8:30, right? Yeah.
Yep, 8:30 a.m.
We had our bus booked last night, so yeah, we picked us up at 8:30.
And we booked our hotel yesterday as well.
Yeah, but it worked out.
It worked out perfect.
But yeah, it was a long trek here. Sad to leave the city because I really enjoyed our time there in KL, and I was sick the whole time too, so that was kind of bummed me out a bit, but it's fine. We're in the jungle now. But yeah, this is one of the world's oldest rainforests. I think it's 130. I mean, it's a big picture on our wall above our bed that says it's 130 million years old. Like I said, we have the night walk booked tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna be doing the jungle trek. So it's a 6-hour trek. No, 5-hour trek? 6-hour trek.
6 to 7 hours.
6 to 7 hours. 6 kilometers through the jungle, trekking through the jungle.
With the guide, so hopefully, I've read a lot of great things about the guides, about them being so friendly and so knowledgeable, so I'm excited for that. Most of the stuff, pretty much everything we've been doing so far has been on our own, so it's kind of cool to have somebody showing us everything.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Unfortunately, canopy walk, we didn't make it in time for it today, and it's closed tomorrow. Poor planning on our part, so we won't be able to do that, but that's okay. There's so many other things we'll see on this, on our travels, so it's fine.
All right, we're just gonna go grab dinner, and then we'll see you. Probably won't film too much of the night walk. I guess just let you know when it's there. But look at this car coming by. Cool. That's cool. But yeah, we'll catch up on the night walk and see if we can find anything. Alright, so I think we found our dinner spot. We're gonna try this out. The floating restaurant here. We're gonna try out Sky Corner. Look what we have to do to get there. Is it wobbly? Oh yeah. That's wobbly. Alright. Check it out. Alright. Just took the boat over. Got my headlamp on. Ready for the night hike. We're on the other side now of the river.
We're on the resort side.
On the resort side.
Doing a night hike, so hopefully we see some cool stuff.
No, of course, yeah.
Okay.
That's where we came from. That's where we had dinner there. Let's see.
So good, the dinner. I think we're gonna go back tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we're going back tomorrow. We're gonna try a different restaurant, but honestly, it was so good.
Go in.
There's another one.
Oh, wow.
See there?
Yeah.
There is a black scorpion, yeah? So you know, something is coming. Yeah?
What are they gonna do?
Okay, they're like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Soldiers, they're very aggressive, yeah? They try to protect their workers, yeah?
Okay.
The small one, worker. Soldier, they're very, you know,
Are they biting?
they bite, yeah, they bite. But they're just a small, you know,
Yeah.
small cut only, yeah? And then sometimes, you know, you can see your blood just a little bit, yeah? I show you, yeah?
Oh my god.
But I have to choose the one is the more stronger, you know? I mean,
Oh my God.
aggressive one. If not, they cannot bite my, you know? See, they bite my shoes, yeah? But this is not strong.
Not strong enough.
Not strong enough. This one. See that?
Oh my god.
This, when they bite you, normally they don't want to let go, yeah?
Oh, I see.
Stand it up.
Yeah. See, they go
really
deep
enjoying
in.
it.
They go deep in.
Oh my god.
Does that hurt? Oh, you're happy that you
But
didn't do
just
it?
little bit.
Oh my god.
They never let go. And how to let go? You have to squeeze their head. That means you have to kill them, yeah? Otherwise, you can do like this, but become maybe a little bit more, you know, big cut, you know, hurt, you know, because never let go, see?
Yeah, oh my god.
Like that, straight. But you should put and then you know. And then you know. Okay.
That was scary enough. Oh my god.
It's not centipede. Yeah, centipede, their body is flat.
Oh.
Millipede, their body is round. So centipede, their poison is 2 times stronger than black scorpion.
Oh wow.
Yeah, have you get bitten by scorpion? Sting by scorpion?
No.
You should try. You should
You
try.
should try.
Yeah. And then you can imagine how strong the
This one is
centipede. Yeah.
This isn't even on
Makes
the.
me think we
This isn't even on the night thing. But look at these guys. Like we have some of these in Singapore that we had, but huge.
Good morning from Kuala Lumpur. Today we're gonna take the boat over to Taman Negara and do a all-day jungle hike and trek with a tour guide, so that'll be really exciting.
6 kilometers long. We're not ready for this.
We're not. Our feet still hurt and we're exhausted, so please pray for us.
We're debating, like, should we do it guided? Should we just go into the park by ourselves? So we still need to pay the registration fee to get into the park, and the tour isn't really that cheap. It's 150 ringgit, which is around $50 a person, Canadian. So it's not that cheap. But honestly, with a guide, you get so much more access to the park, because apparently they don't let you in the majority of the park without a guide. So we figured, let's see if it's worth it. We're only here once, so let's try it out. So you see this, like, measuring stick here? Looks like the ones for water, but you're like, oh, it can't be. Look at how far the river is. Well, yesterday on the night hike, the guide told us that in 2014, the water went all the way, see the stairs there to the resort, all the way up to the restaurant, all the way over this hill during the monsoon season in 2014. And they had to get a helicopter to come because there's people in the expensive resort over there. They had to get the helicopter to come to airlift everybody out of there because the water was so high. Crazy. All the way over this hill. That lamppost. That's how high the water was. That's what he's saying. The water went all the way to the ceiling there at the restaurant. And that's where the river was. And all those stairs we just climbed, the water was that high. But look, there's monkeys. Let's see if I can zoom here.
At one point you could see them so clearly.
No, I saw them good when we came out.
Whoa!
Oh, that was cool. There's another one. Ready? Ooh. I think there's a third one coming.
Yeah.
Ready? Whee! Cool, and then there's that guy in the tree there. But yeah, the water, I can't believe it, all the way up to that restaurant. I'm still shocked. This huge tree, just halfway underwater. And then here's the bougie resort. One day we will stay here. Maybe. See some monkeys. I think there's another one in this tree, like dropping some stuff. Up there somewhere. Okay, I'm already. Whoa, look at that butterfly. Okay, I'm already getting distracted and I'm losing the group. I need to go back up. We made it to the visitor center. You can see all the wildlife here. That'd be cool to see today. A tiger. Look at the clouded leopard, that'd be so cool. With the tiger.
I want to see, I don't know what they're called. They're those things with the long nose?
The tapir?
Tapir? I think, yeah. Mouse deer. Oh.
Where is it? I can't even find it on
I
here.
don't see it here either.
The slow, somebody saw the slow lures. It's on the board there. It's like at the visitor center Algonquin, and they have
where?
the, over there.
Oh, I want to see that.
Somebody saw a king cobra. I like slow lures. Slow lures where? At the canopy wall. You gonna try, Lex?
Yeah. Hey, Matassi. Oh, it does taste like cucumber. It's interesting. Are you gonna try some?
Yeah, can I have a bite?
Yeah. Oh, it's kind of dirty. Yeah. It's interesting. Oh my god, my glasses are fogging
I'll
up.
see.
Yeah.
Bye. Oh, you got some?
We wouldn't have eaten this on our own. It's like cucumber, but like an extra
Sour.
sour cucumber. I think that's it.
That's good.
Insect repellent just put in the skin.
Wow.
Yeah, for stop the bleeding, take the salt and then take little bit leaf, put the place for bleeding. Yeah. Want to try?
Okay.
Yeah.
I got a lot of mosquito bites everywhere.
You don't have that bites.
I'll put it over the
sleeve.
I'll see if I get any bites in this section here.
I'm ready for the leeches.
Smelly.
Bring it on.
Smelly.
It smells nice. Way better than bug spray.
It's a big tree. I want to see how big it is up close.
It's very cool up close. I didn't get a chance to appreciate it because I didn't want people to take the photos. It's really cool. Oh, there's the bee.
Where's the bee? Oh yeah, he's just floating there.
It's got like just four monkeys.
This thing is massive though. Look at this. Thank you. So big. Wow, look at the root beside you. I'm falling behind. So far I think we're about an hour-ish into the hike. We've been moving pretty quick, but I want to stop and see all the animals. This is what our tour should include, the canopy walk, but it's a Friday and it's the one day that it's closed. And unfortunately this is the one day we're here, so we won't be able to do the canopy walk. Oh, you can see all the way up.
Really?
That's so cool, you can see all the way to the light.
I want to see all the way to the water. Whoa.
I think you can hang on this. Ready? Oh, you can. Oh, good.
Do it again.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Can you hang off it, yeah?
That was, yeah, you can.
Oh man,
That's sketchy. Oh, God.
Oh, I have no upper body strength.
Just gotta run and swing it.
You do pull-ups off it?
You're going into the railing though, but you can do it.
That's cool.
All the way up there. That's
I think you
sweet.
could sit in it.
Try it. Go off the, yeah, off the railing.
Oh. Just careful.
No?
Oh my god. Please don't fall.
I don't know.
Please don't.
It's a big fall, isn't it?
Oh, I just don't. I don't even.
Yeah, let's see.
Joking.
Yeah, like they're gonna try that.
Like, I don't even know what the emergency number is for this country.
This is why we bought health insurance.
This is our travel insurance.
Yeah.
I have no upper body strength.
That's so much fun.
That was fun.
20
Alright,
trees.
I'm gonna-
Oh, this one's moving. Lex is gonna try sitting on this thing now.
Wow. I don't think I'm going to be able to climb over that, so. How tall are you?
I'm like 5'2".
Okay.
That's a good photo.
Yeah.
That's your...
So now we left the boardwalk. And beyond here, we need a guide.
There's a guy like the YouTube series, and you get the most thankful.
Alright, let's see if I wipe out here. Yeah. Down this steep hill with a rope. Let's see. Probably should be using 2 hands. But when I fall, it'll be fine. Ooh. Alright, he's going that way. It's all these little roots that get you.
Yeah.
Catch. Your foot goes right under it.
It'll get you in the end.
Oh, your shoulder's eaten alive.
Yeah. The whole body.
There's the gibbons in the background there still.
The hidden.
Oh, the water's so clear.
This one for the sound, the people, the orang asli, many make it the sound. Yeah, because they go to the jungle, go hunting. And go hunting and they spray. They go to the jungle, they spray one people, they're looking for the animal. And the people see animal, they make it a sound. For the people go close to the animal for hunting.
Which animal they hunt?
The hunting just many this tribe they eat animal from the tree. Like a bird, monkey, yeah, squirrel.
They eat monkey?
Yeah, they eat monkey. For the story, the gibbon. Yeah, these people very like eat the gibbon. The gibbon more taste more good.
Yep.
Yep, that's wood.
This is the sweat bee.
Sweat bee.
It's a little
This is the entrance for it.
Oh, that's really cool. What are the bees? The entrance for the bees. Oh my.
I think we are 2 hours in. 12 o'clock-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hot.
Hot. We're tired.
Oh,
I'm ready
oh,
for a break.
we're on a slippery section here. Probably a bad time to pull out the camera. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for a break too. 2 hours in, and it's been very hot.
Very hot.
So there's a paper inside the green thing.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, thanks. Oh, that's kind of cool.
What's so narrow here? That's cool. Oh. And then there's more. That was a big uphill. Need help? Here. Break time.
How much time?
So you got the harder one up here. And lunch here.
Huh? How long? How long? 10 minutes up, 10 minutes down.
And then for lunch we have
Are you gonna
10
go?
minutes normal walk, yeah? Maybe if you tired, maybe can go 20 minutes.
Okay.
You have 30 minutes only, go and back here.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Alright, Lex is coming too. Nice steep incline right away. And those 10 steps.
Yeah, no, as long as I sat for that 2 seconds, I'm good.
Just recoup, get the water,
Yeah.
wipe ourselves off. 30 minutes. Alright, we got 30 minutes to do this climb. 500 meters. But he said there's a lookout at the top. So hopefully it's worth it. And then we have lunch after. Which I think we really need right now. Alright. I'll see you at the top. You gonna stay here? Okay. Got a long rope climb to the top. Okay, so I was just about to go on this thing. Look at this spider.
Whoa!
Ooh.
I think everyone just missed it.
Yeah.
This thing is like... That's my hand. Huge. Wow. Alright, yes, we gotta watch our hands going. Steep hike. That's the view. I didn't think this is the top. I thought this was the top. Looks like we have more to go. Alright, let's see what else is up there.
You reckon this is it?
And there's Lex. We are almost back at the bottom. It was a hard hike. It's like a wall. Just the route. I keep wiping off. I can't get this sweat off me. Just in the air. Just wet air. across that, and then we're at the lunch place. Here's our lunch spot. Look at that.
So we can stay here
Right by the jungle.
to get to them, or only bring?
Oh wait, what?
Nice. This spot.
Alright, so 4 people went ahead. They missed the stop. So now that means we need to catch up with them. And we have to wait another 15 minutes to go eat. That's such a nice spot here. And I'm exhausted. I might stop and eat because my head is pounded.
Yeah.
And this is a nice view too. Alright, here's the river again.
Yeah.
Let's see if this is close by. The lunch spot number 2. Doesn't look like it. I don't see anybody. Look at this. This is not any water on my face at all. This is just pure sweat. It's delicious. Yep. That's what it's like hiking in the jungle, I guess. Here are some of the timber ants. Oh, I just lost him. There he is. Look at him. It's huge. Wow. Apparently you can eat them. The timber ants. You can eat them. And it tastes like mango. Tree here. This is what he's saying, the parasite tree. Yeah, that eventually wraps around it. And then, so there's one tree in here before, and then this one planted from the top wraps around and then eventually kills out the first one. That starts off as a vine and turns in to this, where you can see all the holes. It looks like a see-through tree. That's cool. We made it to lunch spot number 2. Not as nice as the first one. There's no private little beach, but what is it?
Fried rice.
Fried rice. Fried rice. And I think I'm eating my... Oh, we have the crackers too.
Yeah.
Fried rice, orange, and crackers. I think I'm just gonna eat all of them now. I'm so hungry. We had lunch. It was the chicken fried... chicken.
It wasn't chicken.
It was just
like
egg fried rice with the egg with it on my crackers. I'm feeling a lot better. Lex, how are you feeling?
better.
There's 2 bugs here that are pretty cool.
What one?
You got this guy, and then you got this guy. Got 2. I have to keep moving. I'm getting yelled at. I'm getting yelled at looking at the bugs here. We gotta keep moving. At least we're not the last of the pack, so we're not holding everyone up. We're at the very busy waterfall now, but in this little pool, there's some fish. Alright, Lex is going in. We're here at the waterfall. Let's go in. She's got her
I got my
pretty water shoes on.
tighten them a bit.
Oh, you've actually got your one.
There you go, Lex went swimming in it. How was it?
Really cool. I didn't actually like swim. I just got up to my waist in the water and then took a shower in the waterfall, which was really cool.
Yeah.
Even the ones in Hamilton have never done that. I don't think I ever.
I'm just lying down now. Oh. Oh, all the crumbs went in my eye. Sliding down now. Our little
Chocolate's
blanket bag
better.
here. Chocolate crackers. Chocolate tiger's better. If you ever hear, chocolate tiger crackers better apparently.
These ones taste good, but I like chocolate better.
But look at this. Look at this view.
I'm gonna focus on you, okay?
Just looking up at the canopy here. So nice. We made it to the boat. Even though it's past 3. It waited for us. It didn't wait. I mean, they didn't leave. They waited, but they didn't wait. No, they waited for us even though it's past 3. Thank God. Or else we'd have to trek back.
You guys will become dinner.
Alright, you got this, Mitch. Ooh! Where did that one go?
Yeah.
Did that hit the board?
Got the white.
Oh, we're on the board.
We're on the board, Mitch. Well, actually, I wasn't, but I was on the green.
It's
So that's
okay.
okay. That's all that matters.
That's all that matters. All right, finishing up at the village. Now we're doing some rabbit shooting. Fuck that, I might take my hat off. There you go.
God, make sure you have that. Oh my god.
Bro, the middle is insane.
It is insane.
I almost lost my hat.
Oh my god. I was trying to film and then I'm like, wait. Probably not
A
gonna
little
be-
wet, a little bit.
Oh, that was cool though. That was scary. I thought it was come over.
Jump of water to the face.
Yeah. A little bit in the mouth.
And all of the eyes.
I just love opening my mouth. I can go. Ah!
We are finished up with the rapid shooting
We finished up our tour.
and a tour. I don't think I could be any more wet. It's literally like we jumped headfirst in the water with all our clothes and shoes on because we didn't know. It says be prepared to get wet, so we're like, all right, we're gonna get a little wet.
We did put our bags. Everybody put their bags in like a big garbage bag, so at least all that. stayed
Yeah, and
dry.
then like our important stuff. I have a dry bag with me that we can roll up, so we put that in the bag in the garbage bag. But yeah, it's like, yeah, be prepared to be like, get like a little wet. But yeah, we just
Soaked.
drenched.
Well, it's not that bad because it's warm here, so.
No, it's actually after that hike, so refreshing.
It is, yeah. After the waterfall, and then after that, just getting wet. But now we're in dirty water, so we've got to go.
Right in my eye. Dirty river water.
Dirty river water. The humidity makes the air feel so thick to breathe in. So I'd be like panting and panting, but you don't get any like good breaths in.
Yeah, and you cannot cool off. There's just a layer of sweat on you the entire time. That was our trip in Taman Negara. A lot of fun.